Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you this, a commander tank. So this is a short video, so I'm gonna start building him now. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Bye!